Hello students, our second chapter is file management data organization. In this chapter, you will learn moving or copying a file folder from one drive to another. How to move or copy a file or folder from one drive to another drive. Moving or copying a file folder between storage devices. How to move or copy a file or folder from computer to storage devices. Okay, searching a file folder. How to search your files and folders in the computer. Understanding different file formats, and in this chapter you will learn about different file formats. Sorting files. Okay, sorting means to arrange the files. Working with multiple applications, and here you will know how to work on multiple applications. Okay, children, you have studied the file manager application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. So you have already studied about the file manager. Okay, file manager provides you detailed information about your files, folders and drives. It enables you to access, edit, manage and organize your files and folders. And this application allows you to access and to edit and manage, organize your files and folders. You have already learnt that a file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. So students, what is a file? A file is a collection of related information. Okay, collection of related information means the separate information are stored together to make a file on some storage device. Whereas a folder is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files, and the collection of files we used to keep in folder. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss some operations like how to view, copy, move files, how to view, copy, move files and transfer data from one device to another. Okay, how to view your files, copy your files, move your files and transfer your files, okay, from one device to another device. This all things you will learn in this chapter. Our first topic is moving or copying a file folder from one drive to another. How to move or copy a file or folder from one drive to another. Moving a file folder means shifting it from its original location to another location. Students, moving means shifting a file from its original location to the location where you are moving it. Okay, whereas copying means making a duplicate copy of the original file and to keep it in a location where you want. Okay, it is called copying. To view the contents of D drive, double click on computer icon on the desktop, and if you want to view the contents of the D drive, you have to double click on the computer icon on the desktop. It will display the hard disk drives, CD drives, removable devices and network locations. Okay, these all things it will display you that are connected to your computer. Now double click on the D drive icon. it will display all the files and folders stored in it. And if you double click on the D drive icon, then it will display all the files and folders which are stored in it. Select any file folder that you want to move, copy, and from the displayed files and folders you can select any file or folder that you want to move or copy. Click on the organize button, and after selecting the file or folder you just click on organize button and select the cut copy option from the drop down menu. And when you press the organize button, a menu will appear in which you will see the options for cut, copy and paste. Just from the left pane, select the drive where you want to move, copy the file, say E. Now click on the paste option in the organize drop down menu. Okay, and from the left pane you have to select the folder, you have to select the drive in which you want to copy or paste your file. Okay, and then click on paste or copy option in the organize drop down menu. Notice that file gets moved, copied to the new location. Okay, and you will notice that the selected file will moved or copied there to the new location. Okay, now moving or copying a file folder between storage device. How to move or copy a file or folder between storage devices. Okay, to move a file or folder from one device to another, say from D drive of your computer to a pen drive, follow these steps. Suppose you want to copy or move a file from your computer to a pen drive. Okay, then you have to follow these steps. Attach the pen drive to your computer. Just attach your pen drive to your computer. Now right click on the start button and select the open Windows Explorer option. Okay, when you click on the start button, when you right click on the start button, then option will appear. Then you have to select open Windows Explorer option. Select D drive from the navigation pane on the left. Then you have to select the D drive from the navigation pane that will appear on the left side. Select the file folder that you want to move to the pen drive. Then select the file or folder which you want to move to the pen drive. Right click on the file folder and select the cut or copy option from the shortcut menu. And you have to right click on the file or folder, and then you have to select the cut or copy option from the shortcut menu. Click on the pen drive icon from the left pane. Then you have to click on the pen drive icon. The drive opens up, and when you click on the drive icon, then the drive will open. Right click on the blank area in the right pane and select the paste option. Then just right click on the blank area on the right side on the right pane and select the paste option. You will observe that the selected file folder is shifted from D drive of your computer to the pen drive. Okay, Now, searching a file or folder. Windows offers a number of ways to find files and folders, and there are many ways to find files and folders in Windows. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. Use search box. Okay. You are looking for common file types. So students, there are many ways to search your files and folders in Windows. Okay, and one of the best option is search box. You can search your files and folders from the search box. Okay, this is your search box. Okay, you are looking for common file types. You remember all or part of the name of the file or folder you want to find. And if you are searching a file or folder of a common type, then you must remember some part of the name of that file. Okay, you just have to type the remembered part of that file, then it will be displayed on your computer screen. Okay, you know the date when you last modified a file, or you should know a date of modification of that file to search a file or folder. So these are the steps to search a file or folder. Click on start button, you will find the search box, and after clicking on start button, you will get a option for search. Okay, located at the bottom of the left pane, and the start button is located on the bottom of the left pane. Okay, type either a part of the file folder name or complete name, or type a password or phrase, sorry, or type a word or phrase that is present in the file. So to search a file folder, you just type the part of the file, okay, or folder name, or complete file name, or a that word or phrase that is present in the file. Okay, as you type the items that match, your text will appear on the start menu, and the matched text will appear on your start menu. Okay, select the desired file folder, double click on it, the file will open in a new window. Okay, and if you get the file on the paired result, then you just have to double click on it, and your file will open on in the new window. Okay, now choose the document option. Type the name of the document is to be searched in the search, and select the file and click on it to open. Okay, sorry, otherwise simply click on the search box. The following three options will appear on the top of the search box. When you click on the search box, you have to select the option whether you are searching for app or document or web. Then just click on the document option and type the document is to be searched in the searched box. Okay, and whatever you are going to search, just type it in the document option and select the file and click on it to open. And after seeing the search result, you can select your file and click on it to open. So students, in the next class we will study about the searching file using wildcard characters and understanding different file formats, sorting files, working with multiple applications. Okay, thank you.